Kawasaki believes it possesses a superior understanding of its customers, potentially surpassing their own self-awareness, and those committed to attracting new riders to the sport recognize the significance of facilitating their success. A novice rider's initial horse should be accessible, accommodating, spirited, economical, and stylish. Kawasaki aims to provide an exemplary motorcycle in every aspect, and I believe they have achieved this goal. Fear and intimidation can swiftly extinguish the passion of novice riders, hence, an ideal first motorcycle should be enjoyable and empowering, possessing sufficient capability to remain pertinent as the rider's skills advance. Achieving this equilibrium entails creating a bicycle that is accessible for novice riders while not inducing a desire for immediate upgrades among users. The 2025 KLX230R and S are designed to appeal to all riders, whether novices or seasoned enthusiasts with many motorcycles and extensive expertise. Judging by the smiles on everyone's cheeks during our test ride, Kawasaki successfully achieved a balance point, doing both a physical and figurative 12 o'clock wheelie with the new KLX230R/S models. Kawasaki contends that the aesthetic appeal is equally significant as the motorcycle's components. A multitude of novice dirt riders are motivated to engage in the sport by their idols, like Axel, Slay, Hodges, the prominent figure of the KLX campaign and a freestyle motocross athlete. Kawasaki engineered the KLX230R and RS to appear equally adept at performing backflips on a freestyle ramp as the competition-grade KX versions typically ridden by Axel. The 2025 models now incorporate full-sized black wheels and assertive styling, allowing for an impressive appearance while stationary. Simultaneously, present the keys to Hodges directly, and you will witness the full potential of this compact motorcycle. I acknowledge my little experience with off-road riding, making the prospect of evaluating a specialized dirt bike at an official press launch somewhat intimidating. Over the past 9 years, I have concentrated my efforts on street and track riding, favoring smooth asphalt surfaces. Recently, driven by an insatiable curiosity for all things motorcycle, I have explored the realm of dirt biking. I swiftly recognized that off-road riding presents a distinctly different challenge than anticipated, and the learning experience has been both humbling and thrilling. I have always envied individuals who acquired their riding skills on dirt motorcycles during childhood, as they exhibit an unmistakable instinctual prowess and assurance on asphalt, and I now comprehend the rationale behind this. Terrain is challenging, and likely the most effective method to develop abilities and cultivate positive habits, irrespective of the riding style you favor. I regret not riding a dirt bike earlier.